Hey guys, so today I'm basically going to be giving an introduction to HTML. So we're going to be looking at like simple stuff like paragraphs, headers, input boxes, and so on. And this is all so that we can basically move forward, and the ultimate aim is to do this is to make like a interface for the Brave API. So here we go. Okay, so over here you can see an HTML file. So first of all, I'm just going to like run it basically so you can see what it is. So here we have, so here over here first you can see like introduction to HTML. Then there's heading 1, heading 2, paragraph, colored paragraph, and another heading, then input box and enter. So here I basically made like used some simple attributes or elements. Then, so first thing I've written over here is doc type HTML, which basically defines that this documentation is an HTML5 document. Then we have HTML. So like that's basically like the root element of an HTML page. After that, here I have like the title. So title is basically like over here at the over here. So over here at the top of the like on the tab, you can see like introduction to HTML. Then after that we have the body, and the body is basically like defining that it contains all of the visible contents like headings, paragraphs, and so on. So here, after that, we have the H1, so like heading 1. So here, so this is basically like the first heading 1. After that, we have heading 2. Then we have paragraph, so this is a paragraph. So there's also like more types of headings. So you have like for example heading 3 as well. So then you can see it gets smaller, and heading 4 even smaller, heading 5. So there's like plenty of headings that you can use. So then, let's stick to heading 2 here. So after that, this is a paragraph. So here we have, so here I'm starting and ending. So this is basically like paragraph. After that, there's this box. So basically you can write anything. So it's basically like where you can do inputs and stuff. Then here we have the button, and I basically labeled the button as enter. But obviously it's not doing anything yet. We're gonna go through that later. Then after that we have the style. So basically I'm like styling the paragraphs. So like here you have a red paragraph, but like then you can also make it like blue, for example, or black, and so on. Then here I'm ending the body tag and then the HTML. So a tag is basically like over here, like you can, so this is for example like a tag. So this is a tag for heading 1. So you started off like with this symbol. After that you put in like whatever, so here H1, and then you close it, and when you close it, then automatically the second one appears. So this is basically the closing tab. But then it's also important to remember that not all elements have like opening and closing. For example, like if you look, then you also have like the BR. So then this, for example, doesn't have a closing tab, and this is basically like for a break. So this is basically like a break. So this doesn't have like a closing tab. So not all elements have closing tabs.